This is definitely not your typical Ford Bronco. This is a GRE Bronco. What is a GRE? Granite Rock Edition, GRE for short, is our fully customizable off-road package here at MTH, and we're excited to show you the latest build. So this build started off as a 2021 Ford Bronco Big Bend soft top. If you've ever seen one of these Broncos bone stock, you know that we needed to do something to it. So that's why we decided to make it a Granite Rock Edition. It's a GRE Alpha, which includes everything from your 4-inch rough country suspension lift to your 18-inch Fuel Rebel wheels wrapped in your nice beefy 35-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Legend tires. We have the 5th one on the back. We're not going to leave you stranded. We also have these heavy-duty off-road rough country boards. Get in and out of the vehicle easier. Tinted front and rear windows. And that's about it, guys. We wanted to make a nice, clean, simple one. There's plenty of room for modifications in the future. I know everybody loves doing their own thing. Bumpers, winches, off-road accessories, lighting, you name it, MTH Garage has it all. That's also who built this vehicle, of course. Now, listen, guys, if you want this vehicle, it may or may not still be available when you're seeing this video. Check out our website at yourmth.com to see this GRE and a handful others like it. Listen, I got a storm coming in. We got to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.